For all those men out there from all over the globe, in all countries, of all ages, especially between 30 and 45, let's say, who are singles, who want to have a lovely marriage, or who are in a marriage but haven't been awakened yet to fulfill really the highest good value feminine power, the queen, and they want to have a more fulfilling, loveliest, happiest, joyful, peaceful life with a loving woman, also, and kind and respectful and wise. And actually, I want to tell you that all women have awakened. They have realized, the feminine has realized that we nurture ourselves, our bodies, we respect ourselves and the whole globe, and we don't allow anymore any negative energies, nor any babies, men who are not men and they're just babies who need, us to take care of them, like mother. It's not like that. Actually, the awakened feminine has realized her highest good value, and she needs the holy masculine also to awaken. So if you feel that you haven't awakened enough and you want to learn what a true feminine needs from the holy masculine, I have an ebook for you. It's called The Awakened Man. And it's for men who want to awaken their holy masculine, to embrace the holy feminine also, because we all have both sides, and to be in alignment and create the best, most fulfilling, peaceful, healthy, joyful relationship, life, marriage, partnership, to have the best, happiest life. Because the best life is in alignment of the holy feminine with the masculine, also in perfect partnership and in love, in peace, with respect and love, kindness. You need also to be a highest good parent, and not just find someone, pay the bills, and you think that's all you need to give as a man is money. But also the holy masculine is a provider not only of financial stability, but also provider of support, of love, of being secure and certain, and like treating the one like a princess and embracing the feminine. There are many aspects for the holy masculine to really embrace and understand. So it's about emotional intelligence, and it's all in my ebook. I have written all the keys to a successful, loyal, good, faithful, loveliest, happiest, joyful life and marriage relationship between the holy masculine and feminine also. So just click in the link in my bio and you will see everything there. Mwah.